Hello and welcome to English Learning. In today's video, I'm going to read a morning speech on the topic, the importance of keeping the body clean. So without wasting much time, let's begin. A very good morning to everyone present out here. Respected principal, all the teachers, brothers and sisters, as well as my dear friends. Today I am standing in front of you all to deliver a short speech on the topic, the importance of keeping the body clean. It is very important to keep our body clean and healthy. Dirt, pollution, food particles, dust particles and germs can accumulate on our bodies if we don't clean ourselves regularly. Maintaining personal hygiene is very beneficial for all of us. Keeping our body clean helps to prevent illness and infection from bacteria or viruses. For example, the simple act of washing our hands regularly keeps the germs away from spreading. We can keep our body clean by brushing our teeth regularly, taking a shower, washing clothes, wearing clean clothes, keeping our nails short and clean, etc. If we practice these things daily, then we will not only stay healthy and disease-free but also look neat and tidy and will have better self-esteem. Lastly, I would like to conclude my speech by saying that cleanliness is next to godliness. Thank you.